Ladies and gentlemen, your boy is back. I'm back. I'm back. I am back. I'm back. You're probably wondering, Julian, what are you back from? I don't think you ever left. Like you've been posting daily, bro. But no, bitch, I'm back. I'm back and better than ever. And you wanna know what that means? Because guess what? It is Wednesday right now that I'm recording this. And I'm going to be launching my store by the weekend. I'm back. I'm back and better than ever. And it's so funny because I'm trying to think now from the perspective of someone that's new. They'd be like, bro, what the fuck? That's not even an accomplishment. I probably run stores like every day, bro. No, but look, to sum it up, okay, as majority of you watching this video know, I've taken a huge, I'm not gonna say break because I have been here working every fucking day, but I took a huge step back. And I've met, I was busy spam testing products, doing any research, blah blah blah. I met someone in person, a good friend of mine, a real boss, a real G. I view him as my coach, and he's coached me for the last month and a half, and he's opened my eyes to what e-commerce really is. He's taught me so much and completely changed my perspective and viewpoint on just the world itself, but how business is really run. And with all the time, the month, we've taken to do research and we've taken to structure things very properly. Eventually now, after again a month and a half of doing market research, product research, doing thorough analysis, just back and forth, we are gonna launch a store by the end of the weekend, and I'm super excited. It's a good feeling. I miss it, and it's funny because it's just crazy how a lot of people are just they're in different positions, right? While I'm speaking, he's like, he's off to like an event where, the owner of Shopify and a bunch of big brands are going to be there. And he actually is going to meet one of my competitors that, the product I'm running, because they're an established, they're a big brand already. And it's so funny, but that's just a different level. He almost actually got me in, but couldn't because the tickets were pretty rare, hard to get, and also that it's probably like brands with like 7-8 figures, so I'm like nobody to them. But like that's the goal, right? To get to that level, to to be a part of something bigger. And also for me, that's not even enough. I don't even want to go to this event. I want to host my own event. I want to have some type of program or software that a bunch of entrepreneurs use. And instead of me, obviously they're step by step. I would love to attend these, events organized by Shopify, trust me. But I'm just saying, eventually I want to be like the president of Shopify. I want to be him. And I will be him. I'm gonna have something. This is later down the line. But as of now, let's celebrate our little win of our store is gonna be ready up by this weekend. And I'm very excited. And you know what's funny? Nothing's built. I haven't even opened up a Shopify store. I have not built the ads. None of it. But understanding that it's the research and the gathering of data and the gathering of content and organizations of, in Google Docs, your copywriting, your concepts that you're testing, all of it is all done. So basically now just to implement it is very quick. It's the whole benefit of ecom right now, is that you can run ads and build up a store within days, right? It's just that no one does the homework before, the long part, the actual hard part, the shit that no one does. But it's just better than ever. Like, I'm back. I'm finally back to testing something, but this time I'm a completely different person. I have more knowledge. And now with that knowledge, now it's time to put that into action and to gain experience from the knowledge. But I've learned a lot in the last month. More than any test that I have ever ran. More than more than the whole year of me being in fucking e-commerce. I've learned more in the last month. That just comes through quality over quantity. And I'm just excited. I can't wait to keep you guys updated. Hopefully, we all know this. We all know. I know it's truly. We have to take emotions away from our tests and our work in general. But we all know this. It takes one product and it takes one ad. But look, I'm fully aware, we're not expecting profits anytime soon. And I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for that. Like, okay, we're gonna be testing a lot of concepts. The first 5-8 concepts won't work, and that's gonna take a lot of money out of our pockets. But maybe the 9th, 10th one might work. And I'm just very excited to see how that goes. And again, we all know it just takes one concept, one product, and one ad to change your life. And just knowing that the possibility is there. It's exciting. And I'm going to see now that after all the researching that I've done, that the whole month where I took a step back, I now get to see the improvement in my test and see if it was, see it in real life now. Now I've always told myself I've learned so much, I know so much now, I've gained so much knowledge, and my viewpoints are so much different and better, blah blah blah, whatever. But now it's like I get to put it to action and see what it's all about. E-commerce it's a fun game. It's a funny game, but just enjoying the ride. Very excited. Very excited. I'll keep you updated, of course. It's the whole point of this. And let me get straight to work. Wish me luck. And of course, I cannot end the video without the classic. See you at the top.